If you want to upload your thumbnails with your phone, this is an easy way to do it. We're gonna use Google Chrome. Let's open it, and the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna go to YouTube and log in with your password and your email, of course, and then you're gonna get this page. But as you can see, you cannot do the same thing, the same stuff as you can on the computer. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna request the desktop page, and to get that page you can tap on these three dots on the top right corner, and we're gonna request desktop site right here. Here's the option. So you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna get this window or this page, and we're gonna go all the way up on the left side, and we're gonna tap these three lines right here, and then we're gonna tap on my channel, and then you're gonna see this page right here. So you have your subscribers, your views, and video manager. So we're gonna tap on video manager, and then you're gonna see this page right here. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna change my thumbnail, and because as you can see right now it's already like edited, so I'm just gonna tap on edit. And then here's the thing, like every time you upload a video to this website, YouTube is gonna pick an image for your video. In this case I already picked it up in the past, so I'm just gonna tap on it, and then I'm gonna get these two options. I'm gonna tap on change image, and then I'm gonna go to my photo library, and I'm gonna pick this one right here, and then it's already up. I'm gonna tap on save changes. Here they are, and my changes are being saved. Okay, so now I'm gonna move to another app, and I'm gonna refresh my my channel, and as you can see the thumbnail now is different. So we're gonna repeat the process so it's clear. I'm gonna go back to the same page. I'm gonna tap again on the image. I'm gonna tap on change image, and I'm gonna go to photo library, and then camera roll, and I'm gonna use the actual thumbnail that I made for this video, and then I'm gonna tap again on save changes, and now all my changes are saved. I'm gonna go back to the other app to see if the changes are being saved, and yeah, it's pretty much done. So this is how you can upload a thumbnail to your channel from your phone. There's also another way, but I'm gonna show that way in the future. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.
1, 2